Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your fan wish list on your BandLab app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to find this list. Just go up of this sign, click on it here in app. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on fan wish here. And you come to this list, you just have to wait to open with you here. Usually it's going to take a time. So when it's going to open with you, all you have to do, you just go to skip this and you click here on fans here. So then here you skip again. Sorry, I'm go back. So when you skip this again, then here can you find all fans ratio you have on your BandLab app. That's all. So I have no one, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.